Welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we will show the process of our SET-CASA-DINE. Let's go ahead and open our box. For the first step, you require 4 parts C's and 4 parts 5. Let's assemble. For the next step, you're using part G, 4 parts C's, 8 parts 1 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require board A, 8 parts 1 the screw. Let's assemble. For the next step, you require 4 part D, 4 part E, 8 part 2s, 8 part 3 the longest screw. Let's assemble. For your next step, you require 2 part B's, our previous assembly, 2 part F, 20 part 2's, 6 part 4's. Let's assemble. We start with F. This is a repeating step, so you require an additional 6 part 4. Let's assemble. Thank you for watching the process sim of our SET-CASA-DINE. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more for our process assemblies, more for our products. Thank you.